Especially right in this area here.
Penny, I think, was there.
Oh, okay.
And here's right here. This is where the railroad goes through and stuff.
Look at the trucks.
Oh, crap. Yes, we couldn't see this before.
See the trucks?
That's the tracks. It looks like a fence.
I know, but it's the trucks. All the boats.
Jesus. And I was told that that train bridge over there was tipped down, which I doubted it was.
So much for their fences.
Okay. Oh, this was the area that I really got over here. Freaking, I guess the water got underneath the cement. This is the only part I never got.
This parking lot.
Oh. Amazing how much damage water can do. Oh my god.
And on the corner here is Austin Jewelers.
Look at the stores down here. Just for picking through jewelry. Oh, I'm just joking.
And here's the Highwood freaking museum. After years and years of new preparation, it all comes down to that again. But then again, wood itself doesn't really like to stay solidified.
Oh, look at this place here.
More of Calgary's greatest hits next. XL 103.
Get your house ready for summer at the IKEA Summer Sale. I'm getting ready for summer too, with a pedicure. It's my first, so they said I need to use some special...
And there's the freaking door that the military people knocked right out.
Why don't you fresh things up for summer too at the IKEA Summer Sale?
Yeah, that's Tracy's key.
The IKEA Summer Sale is on now until July 8th. Save up to 50% on select items throughout the store. Visit your nearest IKEA or IKEA.ca for details.
Porta potties set up here. Yeah, they're cleaning up downtown studio.
It's up.
The Walsh Theater and all that.
Like this place here got breached. Oh crap, there's that.
Oh, look at the doors. There's a couple of cars in there. You can get pretty cheap now.
Like that
So there's a
motorhome.
motorhome for sale.
That's kind of nice.
Big Dodge.
Pet Emporium.
Yeah, all the pets escape. That was close for a while.
Look at that fence. The gate.
Push
We're
right
straight
up.
up.
Look at that parking lot.
It is floated.
Oh,
Hey, look at that.
Yeah.
I can go this way, can I not?
you can go anywhere around here. You just can't look at those houses there.
These houses over there. On the next cross.
Was it? Right on the tracks.
This place ain't never gonna be the same again.
Huh?
Oh, that'd be tractor. We clean it up so that they don't.
Jesus.
There's porta potties that people use.
Yeah.
Garbage bins. These places here, there's some, one has a sign in the window that says no electricity. And there's beds. If you guys need that bed in the garage, you can have that, you know, because I'm just taking that to the landfill. I was going to take it to the landfill last week before you guys came. See?
Lori's van's down there.
Yeah, I know, right at the end. I said, there it is. She gasped and I said, no, that's not
Looks
it.
like deserted waste.
I said that too.
Yeah, and then you said, no, it's not.
Was this the house they said that the army booted in the window with, or?
Yeah, they booted the window in.
See? There's nothing wrong with the driveway.
So which house is yours?
You want to run in and grab
See, I was right about that window right there breaching.
What?
I was right about that window over there breaching. As Lori proclaimed that the water went above the freaking library roof, which I doubt it did.
You want to run in and grab the key?
Well, unfortunately, here's a brief tour of our neighborhood of where we used to be. Right over there, but we're just getting our stuff cleaned out. But this is just a overlook of the neighborhood, of the aftermath. Obviously, it looks nothing like a ghost town. You know who lives. We all know who lives there, and so on and so forth. But I'll come back to that part later. Yeah, I just want to see what the heck happened to the library, whether if it got breached or not, because yeah, there's that truck that's still here from about a week and a half ago. Jesus. A lot of work to do in this town. Well, it looks like the books and stuff are intact. I'm not too sure how much space I'm gonna have left on my iPhone to record all this. Whatever I don't record here, I'll just take pictures of. But yeah, it looks like the train tracks and all that stuff have clear spacings in between the logs. But it looks like the library was safe, so obviously there's not much really to cover here. So I'm going to cut this video here and I'll bring you back to the other part of the tour. And as we start down on this side, this is where our neighbor Annette and Marissa used to stay. As you can tell, it looks like nothing but a huge big bush of something I can't begin to describe, but their wood over there, their flank is what I used for a dock when the water was roughly, I'd say, up to here on this post. And I was actually going to try and make a raft out of it, but unfortunately the weight of it itself would be so much for us to control that the raft itself would be leading us in a direction which we didn't want to go, so I just made a dock out of it. But their fences are all in our driveways and stuff like that. But yeah, this is pretty much, I swear this looks like a freaking ghost street, like a freaking horror film if you ask me. And of course we got that. I'm not too sure if you guys can see that. No, I'll try and decrypt it for you. The yellow is gas needed, blue is water needed, purple is, or violet is power needed, and fridge removal. That's for that. Nobody's here, and look at all the stuff they have yet to claim. Man, oh man, this is gonna be some work. I'm not even too sure what the statuses of all these houses are, and there's some people's bikes, which I hope they claim, because I would not want to see those bikes in any other people's hands, including my own. Yeah, they got those red flags. Actually, no, those are not really the flags. There's those are the papers from the church, I guess, that when they're willing to help out. I don't know what the situation on that is really, as you can tell on here. And these guys here got flooded out themselves, as you can see. These guys were here earlier actually doing a brief statutory cleanup, and I can't begin to imagine of all the work that these people had to go through, or at least the main people of High River, or the the town people, had to come here and whatnot. But yeah, it looks absolutely ghostish down there. And there's a few people down there, so I'm not going to go down there because this looks really awkward, me talking to myself. Actually talking for you guys and kind of video capturing at the same time. So let's just kind of retard that awkwardness down to a bitter level. But over there you can see that's that white plainy area. That's where all the water was too, and it's all dried up and stuff like that, as well as you see here. But that truck over there, as you can, that truck that you see over there is actually watering down the streets to keep them from being completely dried, and pretty much lack of drought. But yeah, no, this. Oh, they actually got power. I was actually in question whether those lights were going to come off, but as far as residential power, that's not likely. They still feel that there's still a lot of work that needs to be done, but I guess they got the volunteers for High River to come and clean up whatever is remaining of the mess, and hopefully try and get this town back to what it was before this all happened. But as you can see here, this is going to take years to basically get it back to what it was. But that's pretty much it. I'll try and cover more later. It's like Fallout. Like a big nuke.
It looks like dead. The whole town looks dead. You know what I mean? Like coming into
Ghost town.
ghost town almost.
Yeah. Because all the ground's all cracked up.
Bobby was walking around.
Look at that lady cleaning out her shop.
It was like
Look at down here. Look down
some
this
show.
way.
Yeah,
Down there, everything was floating.
some show from Stephen
Right
King,
down
you know?
here, there was
Trucks stalled in the middle of the road with hoods
Jesus.
up. It was weird.
everything
Yeah,
was-
right there.
Look,
Holy shit.
for lease.
Austin
The
Julius.
whole corner.
For lease. I don't think they're gonna for lease it anymore.
You might recently.
Now everything was floating down there.
Look at knocked the branches right off that tree. Clean, too. This restaurant here that I go to is
Probably destroyed.
South Fork. Help on it. Look at their parking lot.
Now I think they need some help.
This place
From
charges
Beaumont
so much,
Speed.
they deserve to be out of business. And that denture clinic there too. I said I didn't want to buy their office, I just wanted some dentures. Oh yeah. Give me a finger, see if you'll chase him on. A little pizza place. Look at all the stuff out there.
It always doesn't look like they got it too much, eh?
No, they had the sandbags buried up and stuff so that the water wouldn't really have much impact.
Oh.
Source.
Boo!
The source over there in the corner. Cheap electronics, John.
Yeah.
How's that?
You get a laptop cheap.
Let it sit somewhere in the sun for a few days. Seriously?
Casper,
Oh, there.
why are you so impatient, that kid?
Yes.
Well, Jasper, you know what? You're not the one driving. So why are you so impatient? You got to be somewhere? You got a date or what?
I want to go home and sit downstairs. It's nice.
No, I'm not going home. I'm going to have a quick shower and throw my shorts on and go get something to eat. I'm getting skinnier by the day.
I don't care if I'm skinnier now. I want to go home.
See, look at the boats. Come on. Look at that one.
Ripped all up. Even the
That one
tarps
there,
ripped
too.
on. Look, there's one that was
boats.
upside down.
It's in my
Nice
yard.
big brand new boats. My yard, my stuff.
That house is just about ready to